Okay, so here we have, so not quite, it's about a 2-inch cookie cutter. And what I did is, I think I used a ruffle one is what I did. It doesn't matter if it's round or ruffle, but I just cut Rice Krispie Treat with it. It's really easy. Okay, just like that. And I did 2 of those and stack them on top of each other, I believe. Cover it with a little chocolate and ended up with that. Okay? Now once it's covered with chocolate, just like we did before, we're going to cover that with fondant. And then we're going to roll it up. Cutting off any of the excess. You can actually cover it from the top, but the top is actually going to be a different color. So let me go grab it. What you're going to do now is you need to paint this silver. A little bit of alcohol. You can also use oil. The candy oils work really well, and you're just going to paint it. You need to paint the whole thing, okay? Like I said, the oils work really well for painting with silver, with any metallic. Now what I want is I want a little bit of yellow fondant. And you want to roll it out unevenly, which is kind of nice for a change. Remember, this guy's all painted silver and he's dry now. Okay? So we're going to roll it out. And we're going to give it an uneven cut. So take your little tool. It's got to be bigger than what you cut the guy. Okay? So just go, whoops, not with that side. Just go around it unevenly. Okay, just smooth those edges. Some shortening on this. And drape that on top. Adhere it to the sides. It doesn't stick. A little more shortening or water. What you have are a couple paint cans. Okay, and then for this one, I even added a little drip. I did this one a couple days ago, so you can tell. I added a little drip. So the drip, all that is just a little round ball, okay, then into a teardrop. Find one that's kind of long, and attach it on. Okay, and there you have a drip, a paint drip. Okay, this is going to be our gold one, our gold can. We've got purple and we've got pink. Looks like our purple's having issues. And then we have pink, and then we're going to have a gold one, although I might leave it yellow. Yellow will work too. So we might just leave that yellow. I have to finish painting it silver though. But so you get the idea. Then the only thing left is it needs a handle. So you need, again, to roll a snake to give us a paint handle. You don't have to have one. It's got to be painted silver too. All right, so we need 3 of those.